Hey, today working on a 24 Trax. I didn't see a video online for this. This is the new Trax. This one's a 24 model. Going to be replacing the drive belt here. One thing that's going to suck is you do have to remove the fender well cover. There's no way to gain access otherwise. You've got a few bolts right here. There's three right here that you do not have to remove. And then there's two bolts right here, 2 7s. These are all T15s over here. There's 2 7s right here, and then a push pin clip. And then there's a bunch more T15s around here, and I think there's one push pin clip that goes right there. Once you get that, you'll gain access in here. And if you don't look and pay attention closely, it does look like a stretch belt, but it is not. If you look way up here, see that little nut right there that I got my light shining on? That is actually your tensioner bolt. And so we're going to rotate that clockwise and it'll take the tension off the belt. So I'll be back with you when I get it off. Alright, continuing on, turn this little bolt nut right here. It's a 16mm clockwise. You slip your belt off right here off the water pump. That's a pretty easy way to do it. And just pop your belt off. There you go, there's your old belt. And you're just going to put your new belt on just like it came off. Alright, so easy peasy, we got the new belt back on here. Ooh. And again, it's easier, I think, to wrap it up and put it down here at the bottom. I couldn't get it all the way on the AC compressor down here, so I kind of just set it right here and kind of held it in place, and then rock that tensioner. And then once I rock the tensioner, I locked it on.